Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Safari keeps crashing on iPhone. If Safari keeps crashing on your iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Number one is, if your Safari app keeps crashing or not working, not open the website, simply close the app and reopen it and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is tap on bottom right corner and close tabs and reopen the again website and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is restart your iPhone. Try restarting your iPhone to clear out any temporary issue and fix this problem. Press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and when your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is clear history and website data on Safari browser. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up to find Safari, little bit scroll up again on advanced, tap on website data. You can see remove all website data and open it, and clear history website, close all tabs, select all history and clear history and website data and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is disable Safari extensions. Go to settings, little bit scroll up to find Safari, and you can see appears on screen many options. Little bit scroll up, you can see appears on screen. Tap on extensions, share extensions, toggle turn it off and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is make sure your iPhone is up to date. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is make sure your iPhone is damaged or dropped. Your iPhone has been dropped or damaged, the hardware may be causing the issue. Check the Apple store and visit the nearest authorized dealer to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Safari keeps crashing on iPhone after update iOS 17.5. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.